Well, talk about timing. Got home from shopping with Mel not too long ago and decided to bring the scooter out for what's probably going to be the last good day where the temperature's going to drop starting tomorrow. It's going to rain, and so I wanted to take advantage of the beautiful day today here on Saturday. And no sooner did I get to the parking lot at, I forget what station that is, but I heard a train horn, so I jumped on the scooter, headed down the rail trail here, and sure enough, it's the NCR. Came all the way up here. So I parked off the side here and gonna get it as it goes by. That was really nice being able to see the train like that, flying the drone, and come along this trail and have the Osmo mounted to the neck mount there. Just some beautiful foliage. I think pretty much this is the last like real nice week. after this week, it's all the leaves are pretty much going to come down. We're supposed to have rain and just kind of nasty weather, like I said earlier in the video, later this coming week. So it was good to get out and enjoy this last day, but I think I'm gonna head home. But before I do that, I want to show you guys, especially since this is probably the last ride with the scooter for a while. I'm not going to put it away or anything, just keep it in the garage, but I don't know when I'm going to be able to take it out again. But I did get a couple more things, and I wanted to show you real quick. So I finally did get a phone mount here for the scooter and the eventual e-bike that I'm probably going to get in the spring. I've been shopping around looking at different ones, and I think that's the next good course of action, is to get an e-bike just for the range and the speed and whatnot. But here in my bag, I do have something nifty. I'm gonna tease it. It's from DJI. Comes in this nice little pouch right here, and you'll be seeing that real soon. Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this little video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and like always, I'll see you soon.